What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to buy TON in Bybit. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. First we're going to open our Bybit app, and then at the bottom right we're going to go over to Assets. Under Assets we want to select Funding. On this page we're going to look for the button Convert. We're going to tap on it, and this is one way to buy TON. We can buy TON by converting already existing crypto assets into TON, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on Bitcoin and change it to USDT. And then right here, we're going to change it to TON. We could use a search bar to search for TON. Currently 7 USDT gives you about 1.3 TON. We're going to tap on the quote, and we have about 10 seconds to complete this. We're going to tap on confirm, and now our conversion is complete. This means that we now have TON in our assets. We're going to go over to view assets. And as you can see, TON has been added to our assets. So this is how to buy TON in Bybit. Let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.